Here at Auction Nations, we are doing an exclusive walkthrough of an electronics auction we have coming up. It's not going to be very much. It's going to be a few hundred pieces, 200 to 300 pieces. We're going to sit here and wait for a little while. We're going to let some people get online, get on this live feed so we can go through this auction. Got a lot going on in this auction. Again, this is an exclusive walkthrough. This ID is not online yet. This auction just got up. Look for it by Thursday or Friday. By the end of this week, this auction should be up. It's going to be an electronics, a high-end electronics auction. We are going to be doing a walkthrough on it. Just give you guys kind of a sneak peek of what's going on. And got 3 people online right now. We're just going to let some people get online before we go through this. We got 7 people online. Woohoo! Welcome, you guys. We're going to be doing an exclusive walkthrough with an electronics auction we just put up. If you guys can't find this ID online, don't worry. This is an inventory ID. We will be having the title and the other ID probably by the end of this week. Trying to find the beginning of this auction. Here we go. It's over here. So we'll start over here and then we'll go through the big. We got a few people online right now. Again, we're going to do an exclusive walkthrough of an electronic auction we have coming up. If you guys can't find the ID online, this is just an inventory ID. Don't worry. This auction will be up probably by the end of this week, Thursday or Friday. Again, this is an exclusive walkthrough for a high-end electronic auction. We're going to go ahead and turn this camera around and get it going. So here we go. Just kind of want to give you guys just kind of a pan of what we're going to go through right now. We're going to go through all this product right now. And this is an exclusive walkthrough of an electronic auction we got coming up. We're going to go through. You guys have any questions, concerns, comments, please feel free, voice them, ask them. We will do the best to our ability to get your questions answered. So let's go ahead and start. All right, we're gonna have some Netgear, streaming faster mobile devices. Mr. McCord, good to see you, my friend. Again, you guys, this is just an electronic auction we have coming up. This is going to be coming up probably by the end of this week, probably Thursday or Friday. You guys can look for it online. Look for under the high-end electronics title. This is one of those Sony Ultra HD Blu-ray players, 4K. These things are nice. Mr. Smith, welcome. Thank you for watching and taking your time to take a part of this. We appreciate it. Thank you very much. Again, this is just an exclusive walkthrough, you guys. We're going to go through some electronics we just got in. If you guys can't find this ID online, this is just an inventory ID. Don't worry, it will be online probably by the end of this week. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please voice them. Let us know. Hey, no worries, Mr. Smith, man. Appreciate your time, brother. Absolutely. You're more than welcome, my friend. Thank you, Miss Ponticelli. We appreciate your time as well. Man, these are awesome. Your gaming headphones. Oh. These are awesome. That's like theater sound. No kidding. My partner has those. There you go, mobile DVD system for the kids in the back of the car so they don't drive you crazy. You don't pull your hair out before you get to your vacation destination. Links, you guys, we got all kinds of stuff. I mean, just so much going on. Link system, Wi-Fi, old school retro Bluetooth vinyl. I like those. Again, you guys, this is just an exclusive walkthrough of an auction that we just put up. This is going to cover a 17 to 55 inch LCD. So that's pretty much like a universal mount. You get a flat picture of that. So that's just going to be like over here. Now here we come up on some of this good stuff right here. Open one of these up, man, just so you guys can see what's going on inside. Even though these boxes may be chewed up, whatnot, doesn't mean anything towards functionality, just in transit. So we're gonna open one of these up as a feel of what we're doing. You guys see, I'm cutting the factory seal on these things right now. Yeah, this thing's... We got a full factory seal Vizio sound system in here. This thing is factory sealed. You got your components in here, your bass box right here, your sound bar right here. This has never been opened. And for whoever gets this, just know it was opened for inspection. Yeah, so this is the product we get, you guys. The boxes may be chewed up because of shipping, handling, transit, whatnot. But in terms of functionality, man, a lot of the times, man, it's just the box. We're gonna set that right there for right now. We're gonna continue on. Okay, let's continue on. Here we go. These are Ions. Rocker systems like the karaoke machines. We got the Ion Game Days, same thing. We got another Sony soundbar system. Sony RCA home systems. Here you go. That's actually something I'm gonna look into. Me and the wife, we just picked up a big screen ourselves. That's a complete Samsung surround sound system. Man, I bet you that stuff sells good. Man, we just got so much going on. RCA home systems. Let me back up so you guys can get a view of that.
Oh, are you doing the website? Sorry.
You guys check us out online, auctionnation.com. Free to become a registered bidder. I'm telling you guys, man, look at all those sound bars. Look at that. That's just crazy. Boom, that one I opened. Look at all those. We got Sony sound systems. Here goes some more LG sound bars and bass systems. You guys, we got a lot going on. This auction's going to be coming up probably the end of Thursday, the beginning of Friday sometime. This is just an exclusive walkthrough of what we got going on with this auction. You guys, please, please, please check us out online. Yes, we do ship, Miss Kristen, we do ship. We are Auction Nation. We are nationwide. We can get you some shipping info with a hyperlink up there, I believe. Just bear with us. We'll get you a link to the shipping info. Again, you guys, this auction's going to be coming up probably Thursday or Friday. By the end of the day, Thursday, beginning Friday. Here goes just a Vizio 28 soundbar system. Mr. Torres, if there are any Bose system, my friend, they will be online. We have a few people looking for that. But if there's Bose system in here, my friend, they will be online, I assure you. Another LG soundbar. Nicole Estrada, check us out online, sweetie. We got a lot going on. AuctionNation.com, free to become a registered bidder, Miss Estrada. A lot of this product, you guys, is going to be from a department stores where you have to have like a membership, to like a monthly membership type stuff, without saying any names. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. Like that's the full motion wall mount. Location, we are in North Phoenix, Miss Cassie. 27th Avenue and Bell area. I believe we're gonna get a location up there on the hyperlink really quick. We'll get you situated.
All right, thanks.
And you guys, I do apologize for the noise in the background. We are in our warehouse. We actually have people pulling orders. We're like doing this right in the middle of it. Just don't get no realer than this. That's the noise you guys are hearing in the background. Is people going about the Auction Nation Day. Party speaker, baby. We got 2 of those. Oh, you shop the Houston one. Well, awesome. Well, you can shop here too. We ship to Houston. There's no problem with that, Miss Kirby, because a lot of times we're going to get different product from different locations. So it's good to keep your eye on every location just to see what's going on. Again, you guys, this has the Google Cast, Vizio 38 soundbar system. Again, you guys, this is not online yet. This is just the inventory ID. But it will be online probably Thursday or Friday. And there's not much in this auction, guys. There's maybe 300 pieces in this auction, so I would get on top of it, like no kidding. Here goes some of those heavy duty routers again for those who may not have been here. TVs, yes, we do have TVs coming in. We have a lot of monitors. We have gaming monitors. I don't know if we have any TVs right now in this auction, but check out all of our auctions online. And I'm pretty sure we have some TVs floating around in a few of these auctions. Mr. Van WYK. Any Orbis, I'm not too sure what that is, Miss Allison Clausine. And even these, you know what I mean? Like I love this little stuff. That would sit on my shelf just because it's cool. You know what I mean? Like, I love that. That is totally worth 10 bucks to me because that would sit on my shelf. Sorry. That would sit on my shelf just for cool factor. Let's see what this is. This is a 50-watt Bluetooth CD stereo system. Again, man, for the bachelor pad. Mr. Luis Novello, you are very welcome. Again, these things are nice right here, man. These are the Samsung Ultra High Def Blu-ray players. Seems like 200 bucks. These things are going for like $150, $120 here. They come with preloaded apps already. Again, you guys, a lot of the time the box is just chewed up from shipping, from transit, whatever. But in terms of functionality, there's nothing wrong with this stuff, you guys. There you go. That's beefy. Look at that Wi-Fi router. That is beefy. Damn. You ain't gonna drop no calls with that, I promise you. Again, TV monitors, sound systems, home systems, Bluetooth, iRockers. We got a lot, guys. Again, you guys, I appreciate your time for taking time to watch this exclusive walkthrough. Please check us out next week. We will have another walkthrough. Not too sure of what it will be. Probably a home and tools, power equipment. Not too sure. But I appreciate your time. Check us out online, auctionnation.com. Free to become a registered bidder. I appreciate your time. See you again.